Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then retigabine, also called as ezogabine. This retigabine or ezogabine, it is actually a potassium channel facilitator. It has a unique mechanism and it is used as an adjunct in partial seizures. Then the side effect of this retigabine or ezogabine is it can cause blurred vision, or it can cause confusion, or it can also cause bladder dysfunction. So these are the side effects of retigabine and ezogabine. One more important thing is retigabine and ezogabine is a potassium channel opener used in adjunct as an adjunct in partial seizures.
thank you and thank you for watching.